for a nap and then we can get our lunch together?
Yeah, sound like a good idea, bud?
I think so.
Perfect.
So I think we're just gonna do an easy lunch today. I made some steak last night for dinner, so this is just
Nice.
leftover, and
Perfect.
just thinking we could just have some salads. It's pretty cool that now we can hang out at the table with our boys and
Yeah.
share a meal with them.
Yeah, now they're in a high chair and sitting up on their own. So
Yeah.
It's exciting.
So this steak is for the boys. I just pan fried it. There is no seasoning on it whatsoever. It's done well, so all it needs to be done is the trimmings have to be cut off and then chopped up into nice small pieces for that food processor. And I think in the meantime, I'll just kind of start setting up our salad.
Perfect, yeah.
So how's it been going with Riot, feeding them the solid food?
Good, yeah, it's definitely a transition. They
Oh, yeah.
make some funny faces at first. And I mean, after the 6 months, they don't get as much iron from you anymore, so
Absolutely.
you need to find those sources and kind of spoon for spoon. Their stomachs are so small that it's nice that they're able to eat iron-rich foods right away now. So it's great for them. It's super healthy and makes it easy for us because we're eating the same things.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, once you're done with getting the beef all set up there, we've got some lentils, some rice, and then we'll do some veggies as well.
And then the rest will just freeze for later, probably.
Yeah, that'd be great. It's
Yeah.
been so much fun having them right there at the table with us and sharing, knowing that you're kind of having the same foods. It's been a really neat experience.
Yeah, I mean it's really exciting seeing them try foods for the first time. And, it's pretty cool to see their reactions and different tastes, and you can add a bit of vegetables with the meat.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, it's a lot of fun.